Today I will tell you in detail about Dragonfly Doji. Dragonfly Doji is a pattern of candlestick. Dragonfly Doji is named by the people of Japan after the seen dragonfly. It is a type of small flying insect. You must have seen it flying in the sky, in the fields, or in the plains during the rain. Friends, Dragonfly Doji can appear in two ways in the chart. You can see both these types in the video. Three things are common in both of these. Firstly, their open price and close price are the same. Secondly, both have long lower shadows. And thirdly, they have no color. Dragonfly Doji is a bullish candle. It means that the bearish phase of the market is over and the bullish trend is about to begin. If you are looking at Dragonfly Doji in intraday chart, then keep one thing in mind, that it is formed with low. And if you are looking at it in historical chart, it should be formed with at least 25 candle low. Only then will it work. If the Dragonfly Doji forms in the middle of the chart, it holds no significance. Let us now understand this on the chart. As you can see on the screen, we have used one-day chart of that volatility index to show it by bar reply. Now you can see in the chart that we have marked a support level. Now let's move the chart forward from the reply and find where we get the Dragonfly Doji candlestick. By the way, we get to see these candlesticks divided in the chart quite rarely. As we see a candlestick forming at our level, now we have to wait for the next candle to close above the high of the Doji candle. Only then will it be considered valid. After that, we will take buy entry and place a stop loss below the candle. After that, if you want to take profit, then you can keep it according to your risk-reward rule. Or you can also set the take profit of the last high, as I have mentioned in the video. After setting take profit and stop loss, now we don't have to do anything, just have to wait. The advantage of keeping 1 to 2 risk reward is that take profit is hit quickly, and our mental psychology remains good, but it may take some time to hit the take profit of the last high, due to which our psychology can get spoiled, as you can see in the video. That is why we should keep stop loss and take profit according to our risk-reward rule and according to our psychology. As you can see, our take profit has been hit. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.